Digital Printing Center is part of Mid Sweden University. We provide research in the field of digital printing, and we focus on inkjet printing of color, inkjet printing of functional materials, paper optics and color science. Our research projects are carried out in close cooperation with companies. In this film you will hear more about our projects and see some equipment that we have.
My project is about hybrid printing. Hybrid printing is a combination of two or more printing technologies. We here at TPC we have expertise in inkjet area, and we will have partners working the offset and the flexography area that are conventional printing technologies. With the inkjet you can add value to the product because you can print variable data, so you can make personalized products. Offset and inkjet, they have different requirements on the substrate, so we will look for these interactions with the ink when it's wet on dry printing and wet and wet printing.
Printing electronics on paper is very difficult because of inherent problems with the paper surface, such as surface roughness and porosity and so on. So what we do is trying to understand how to overcome these problems to make the performance as good as it can get. This is the materials printer that we use to print basically everything. We can formulate our own solution, which may be some biological solution or chemical, or in most cases it's a conductive ink. So for example this one is a silver nanoparticle ink. So we can fill the print head and then we can print, and we can choose whatever waveform we need to use to get a successful performance of the print.
In the project Next Generation Substrates for Inkjet Printing, the dynamics and interaction between inkjet ink and paper surfaces is studied. Experiments are made in order to verify models for absorption of liquid into porous structures. Here you see a inkjet ink droplet of about 50 micrometers absorbing into a paper structure.
In our research group, Paper Optics and Color, we aim to model the entire paper optic system, from components and structure in paper or board, all the way to the way a printed product is perceived by an observer or an end user. In order to do this, we used advanced simulation tools, and in order to verify these simulation tools or optical models, we need advanced optical measurement systems to verify our models. All these optical measurements can also be used to measure the appearance of a paper or a printed product. Areas where we work are spectral imaging, spectral goniphotometry, and spectral printing. And all our work is closely related to fiber-based products such as paper and board.
So if you like what you've seen in this movie, please feel free to contact us and we see what we can do together.